y'all. So right here in this bed, we've been protecting some lettuce. This is some summer lettuce. A lot of times lettuce has difficulty growing in the summer because of the heat. What happens is the heat makes the roots get really hot and it starts to bolt. And when you have lettuce that starts to flower, it starts to bolt, it makes the taste change. It gets bitter. So this is like right at the end. I gotta get these up right now. If I leave them too much longer, they'll start to bolt and flower. All right, but right now they still taste really good, really sweet. We're gonna rotate these crops. So we already had some things planted in here earlier. I forgot what we had planted in here earlier, but we rotated that out. We got the lettuce in there, and now we'll rotate it out again and we'll put something else there. But it's all about doing the right thing at the right time. I gotta harvest these now because if I leave them much longer, it's gonna change the flavor. It's gonna go from a sweet leaf to a bitter leaf. You want it to stay sweet, go ahead and harvest it early. With your lettuce, you want to protect it from getting too hot, so water it. Water it often. Keep a shade cover on it or a row cover, something that can protect you a little bit from the hot sun. But just some free game from your neighborhood pharmacist. Y'all stay rooted, keep growing. Bless.